we are building the Little Dipper by CDX blocks. The first step is to find the bag that includes the gears and the rail pins. It is very important that at this time you do not cut the rail. After installing the gears, please do not lose track of the rail pins. After you feed the chain through the structure and connect both ends, the chain will be pretty loose. Remove chain links from the chain until it is tight. The rail is a C shape. Push the cross tie into the slot so the cross tie is tight inside the rail. Add both pieces of rail at the same time, adding cross ties as you go. Be sure to note in the instruction booklet where these cross ties go. It is important to use every single cross tie and put them in the exact spot that is shown in the instructions. Occasionally the rail will twist in a manner that makes it difficult to install. Simply twist or rotate the rail 180 degrees and it should bend in the direction to make it more easily installed. Once you've attached the rail to all the cross ties, you will have a little bit of extra rail sticking out. That's okay. In the next step, we will cut this part off. To cut the rail, use anything sharp to slice a small little notch into the rail itself. Bend the rail outwards and it will break cleanly at the spot that you made the notch. You will now install the rail pins. To do so, insert a rail pin into one side of the rail and then use needle nose pliers to press the other side into the other rail. After installing both rail pins, the rail should look like one continuous piece of track. If there's a small gap or something like that, push the two rails together to close the gap. If the roller coaster is having a hard time making it around the track, there's a good chance that the track is dirty. Use silicone spray to spray a paper towel, then wipe down the track. You will probably see some black soot on the paper towel, which means you are cleaning off the track appropriately. If you notice the train has a hard time engaging with the lift hill, it's likely that the chain has stretched a little bit and has become loose. This is an easy fix. You simply take out one chain link and reconnect the chain together, and the chain will be tight again.